Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question. 2023 factorial minus 2022 factorial divided by 2021 factorial, and we have to evaluate the value of this given expression. So let's start. First of all, we have 2023 factorial, and it can be written as 2023 into 2022 factorial, because we can write n factorial as n into n minus 1 factorial, and it is same as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to so on, and minus 2022 factorial divided by 2021 factorial. Now from numerator we have 2022 factorial is common here, so we will take 2022 factorial common, and we have left and we have left 2023 minus 1 divided by 2021 factorial. So it will become 2022 factorial into 2022, because 2023 minus 1 is 2022, divided by 2021 factorial. Now we will open 2022 factorial till 2021 factorial, so it will become 2022 into 2021 factorial, and 2022 same, divided by 2021 factorial. Now in the numerator and denominator, 2021 factorial and 2021 factorial is same, so it will be cancelled out from here. So we have left 2022 into 2022. Now we can write it as it has power 1 and it is also have power 1. So if bases are same, so power will be added, so it will become 2022 whole square. Now we can write 2022 as 2000 plus 22 and its whole square. So it is the form of a plus b whole square, which is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and here a is equal to 2000 and b is equal to 22. So we will open this formula as a square plus b square plus 2ab, so it will become 2000 square plus b squares means 22 square plus 2 into 2000 into 22. So it will be equal to 2000 squares means 4000000 plus, and 22 squares mean 484 plus 2 times 2000 is 4000, and 4000 multiplied by 22 will be equal to 88,000. Now we will add them and we will find the value of this given expression, which is 40884. So the given expression is 2023 factorial minus 2022 factorial divided by 2021 factorial will be equal to this. So this is our final answer. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.